This isn't ordinary chin chin. Today I'm making a crunchy, buttery coconut chin chin that is rich, milky, and absolutely irresistible. If you have been looking for a simple recipe that turns out crispy and delicious every time, then you are in the right place. Let's get started. I'm starting with 4 cups of all-purpose flour that I already sieved to remove any impurities. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of desiccated coconut. This is what gives our chin chin that wonderful coconut flavor and little extra texture in every bite. For flavor, I'm adding 2 sachets of milk flavor. Now I'm adding half cup of sugar followed by 1 teaspoon of salt, which creates balance to the flavor. To make it even more fragrant, I'm adding a little nutmeg. Freshly grated nutmeg gives the best aroma, but this step is completely optional. You can skip this part. Now I'll mix everything together until all the dry ingredients are evenly combined. Taking a few extra moments here helps distribute every ingredient properly so every bite has the same delicious flavor. Next comes 200 grams of butter. Using my fingertips, I will gently rub the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles fine breadcrumbs or wet sand. This is a very important step because it creates that light, crispy texture that we are looking for. You will know it is ready when you squeeze a little in your hand and it holds together without falling apart immediately. Now it is time to add 1 cup of milk. I'm not pouring it in all at once. Instead, I'm adding it gradually while mixing. This gives me better control over the dough and prevents it from becoming too soft. Using milk instead of water gives this chin chin a richer taste, a softer bite on the inside, and a beautiful buttery flavor that gives it stand out. I'll continue mixing until everything comes together into a smooth dough. You don't need to overwork it, just mix until there is no dry spots left. Now I'm transferring the dough to my work surface. To make it easier to handle, I have to divide it into 4 portions. Working with smaller pieces makes rolling and cutting much more comfortable. I'll take 1 portion and roll it out. You don't want it too thin because it can become too hard after frying, and you don't want it too thick either. A medium thickness gives the perfect crunchy texture. Using my pizza cutter, I will cut straight lines before cutting them into small cubes. I really love making mini chin chin because they fry more evenly, become extra crunchy, and they are much easier to snack on. Of course, you can cut yours in any shape or size you prefer. I'll continue doing exactly the same thing with the remaining dough until everything is cut. Now all our chin chin pieces are ready for frying. I'm heating my oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, I will gently add some of the chin chin, making sure to not overcrowd the pan. Frying in batches allow every pieces to cook evenly and become beautifully golden. At first, I won't stir immediately. I'll allow them to cook for about a minute so they can set properly. Then I will gently stir them so they brown evenly on every side. As they continue frying, I will keep stirring occasionally. This helps to prevent uneven browning and gives every piece that beautiful golden color. Once they become a lovely golden brown, you will know they are ready. Take them out and allow them to drain before frying the next batch. Repeat the same process until all the chin chin is perfectly fried. And that's our delicious crunchy coconut chin chin all done. It is rich, buttery, full of coconut flavor and stays wonderfully crunchy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, share it with family and friends, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!